President Donald Trump has been very clear that he wants to shrink the map and focus on hemispheric dominance. He was trying to end wars abroad and really focus on our own hemisphere being abused. Yesterday, this is the MAGA doctrine, otherwise known as the Monroe Doctrine 2.0. President Donald Trump authorized a military strike yesterday of drug runners and drug traffickers of Tren de Aragua that were bringing life-ending drugs to the United States. You can kind of see here in a speedboat. They're in international waters. I don't know all the legal technicalities here. Obviously, it passed the muster because they authorized it, and they did a drone strike in the Caribbean. Alex, what are your thoughts here? I'm at least thrilled finally that we're using military force in our own hemisphere against people that would have done harm against the American homeland. They actually are a much greater threat. What you are seeing on screen are a much greater threat than Vladimir Putin.
Yeah, you're absolutely right about this, Charlie. And this is just perfect in terms of Trump national security doctrine, focusing on our hemisphere first, which I will tell you, our national security editor, Breitbart News, Frances Martel, she's a Latin American woman, and I'll tell you, this hits such close to home with people who've survived, of ancestry who survived communism in our hemisphere and have seen Democrat after Democrat and establishment Republican after establishment Republican in this country focus on Europe, focus on the Middle East, and not remember our own hemisphere. These gangs that are taking advantage of our open border and have created these industries that bring devastating drugs, the type of stuff that not just ruin lives, but ruin families, ruin communities. They come up into our country and we've allowed it, we've tolerated it. And Trump comes in, one fell swoop, wipes out a bunch of them, sends an unbelievable signal that if you try to bring this poison into America, you're going to face deadly consequences. It is just peak Trump, and I love it.